Good afternoon, Tar Heels. Here's what's going on at Carolina right now. The Senate fight over Brett Kavanaugh is finally over. Kavanaugh was sworn into the Supreme Court on Saturday by a 50-48 vote.
On this vote, the ayes are 50, the nays are 48. The nomination of Brett M. Kavanaugh of Maryland to be an Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the United States is confirmed.
The contentious battle to nominate Kavanaugh deepened the divide between the already partisan state. Senate Democratic leader Chuck Schumer called it a low moment for the Senate. Republican Senator Jeff Flake said that the Senate has hit rock bottom now that Kavanaugh is on the bench. The court is heavily tilted conservatives. He assumes his seat today. Hurricane Florence left many parts of North Carolina devastated, but there's now a threat of another storm. Mariam?
Just as the Carolinas still recover from Hurricane Florence, Tropical Storm Michael has been upgraded to a hurricane and is expected to be a Category 3 by tomorrow. It is expected to hit the Florida Panhandle on Wednesday. The governor of Florida, Rick Scott, has declared Florida in a state of emergency. Scott has described Hurricane Michael as life-threatening and dangerous. We will keep you updated as the storm progresses. Hopefully that storm won't impact the eastern part of North Carolina, as UNC Wilmington is just now resuming classes today after more than a month of no classes. UNCW is attempting to recover and finish the semester. Still, more than 400 students are without housing and are sleeping on cots in a gym. Currently, there is no timetable for when the remaining dorms and apartments will open. Georgina?
This is the last week to register to vote in North Carolina. The registration deadline is Friday, October 12th. Make sure your voice is heard and register before this deadline so you can vote in the upcoming midterm election. If you still need to register, there will be students on campus handing out registration forms like this one. It only takes a few minutes to register, so take advantage of this resource. Election day is November 6th, but early voting begins in October 17th. So make sure you can exercise your right to vote. The #1 ranked Tar Heels field hockey team put its perfect record on the line twice this weekend. The #16 ranked Wake Forest Demon Deacons came to Karen Shelter Stadium for an ACC matchup before the Heels travelled to Litchburg to take on #19 ranked Liberty Flames over the weekend. Tune into Sports Extra at 4 to see if the Tar Heels could keep a clean slate with just 4 regular season games left on the schedule. That's what's going on at Carolina right now. Be sure to follow us on other social media, and if you see something that you'd like us to cover, tag us.